How to replace the filter. Remove the screen counterclockwise. Use a T6 screwdriver to remove the filter mesh screws. Gently pry open the inner filter by hand and remove it. Put the new inner filter mesh into the slot and close the filter gap. Tighten the screws. Snap the outer filter cage slit and insert it over the inner filter. Twist clockwise to tighten the outer cage. After replacement, the hair dryer is like a new one, blows stronger wind and fresher air. The outer cover is easy to remove and clean, and we have 3 colors. Inlet 0.2 mm super dense filter. Perfectly compatible with HD01, HD03, HD07, HD08. If you buy them in our store, you will get a free small dust brush.